Hey, we're here with ARK Electronics, and he's got his new rover with the new Jetson carrier for Pixhawk. Yeah, can you tell us more about your build here?
Yeah, so this is my demo rover platform that I've brought just to show my products, and I've got my big product here that I'm working on now and getting to market is the ARK Jetson Pixhawk Autopilot bus carrier. It's a mouthful. I don't know what else to call it. It runs an ARK V6X flight controller in the Pixhawk Autopilot bus form factor, and that's on the bottom of this board. You can see the micro SD for the logs sticking out the bottom. Then you've got the NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano or the Orin NX on the top. This is an Orin Nano, and I have a drone with the Orin NX. So that's running Ubuntu, NVIDIA Jetpack.
Let's pause right there. So you got a Pixhawk flight controller, latest V6X generation. You got an Orin NVIDIA chip.
Yep.
And you got a carrier board that's connecting both of them, and you got them hooked up through USB high speed.
Yep.
Super speed.
They're actually hooked up through USB high speed and UART. And this setup is actually running everything over micro DDS over UART between the Pixhawk PX4 and Ross and the Jetson, and then that's all piped back to the Steam Deck for controls. So Ross running on both ends, controlling PX4 set up in a rover airframe mode.
Yeah. Just tell us about the sensor set.
Yeah, so this actually has as far as the flight controller side of things, it's got dual RTK GPS, the ARK RTK GPS. It's got an ARK flow on the bottom for measuring distance and velocity, pixel flow. And then it's got hooked up to the Jetson on the Ubuntu side, Ross side of things. We've got the SlamTech rotating LiDAR. We've got an NVIDIA or an Intel RealSense depth camera. Those are connected through USB to the Jetson. And then we've got dual ARK power modules running in parallel for 2 batteries and 2 5-volt inputs. The Jetson carrier takes triple redundant 5-volt power inputs, so you can have up to 3 5-volt power inputs for a max of about 80 watts input, depending on what you have connected to the Jetson carrier. That can scale for your needs, or if you lose one power module, those are set up to fail over gracefully. Yeah, I've kind of designed this as a general purpose, robotics and drone development platform.
Awesome. Can you talk to us about the Steam Deck? I think that's something that everyone wants to hear about.
Yeah, the Steam Deck made for a convenient development platform. It runs, Arch Linux. We got Foxglove running on here, thanks to the Foxglove CEO for getting a flat pack for us to run Foxglove on here. It's currently not connected, but yeah, you get sticks, you get
LiDAR,
triggers,
you
get the point cloud, you get the camera, you get battery status. Yeah, Foxglove is it's a great setup for doing development, and with the Steam Deck, it's even easier. It's for the price, it's a great platform.
Yeah, and since we're here at Commercial UAV, what is the most exciting thing you have seen so far?
Ooh, probably those Vertic motors. Yeah, the Vertic motors nice. With the leading and lagging swash plateless design. It's pretty cool.
And talk to us more about, so we already know that you're using open technologies a lot, but why did you decide to base your company on open technologies?
Yeah, it just allows you to get to market faster. Everything runs open source software. I don't have to, try to outcompete or have a giant software team just to ship a hardware product, and then I get to work with the community, and I really enjoy it.
Awesome. And all of your products support PX4.
Yep.
What are your customers using them for?
Oh, rovers, drones, inspection, all sorts of drone delivery, pretty much everything. Yeah, these all run PX4 themselves. The optical flow sensor runs PX4. PX4 is running on the flight controller. The PX4 message set with Ross is built on the Jetson for communicating over DDS. Yeah, it's a full PX4 ecosystem here.
Yeah, and what do you think is the main benefit versus other competitors from your products? Why would people buy ARK?
My products are all designed by me. They're made in the US. I provide support, and I'm actively using them. I eat my own dog food. I fly them, I drive them.
Yeah. Awesome.